Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a video inside text using CapCut. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut and then tap on new projects and go to library and then choose black background and then adjust the aspect ratio as you like. I will adjust into square like this. And add some text, type anything you want. And make sure to use a bold font. After that, just export the video. And then go back to your projects. Delete the text and black background clips. Now add another video. This can be anything, a video of yourself, nature footage, or anything else. Then import the text video you exported earlier. And then make it as an overlay. And then go to Splice and choose Slide, this one. And then just adjust the positions of your video. Just go to Transforms and Advanced. Maybe I will make it like this. And then just export. Go back to your video and delete the text and the clips. And import your video that you export before. And then go to Effects. And then choose Video Effects. Search for Water Ripples. And adjust the positions and intensity like this. And then go to Mouse. Choose horizontal and position it like this. And that's it. Here's the result. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.